Hello everyone. Warm welcome to all of you again. Today I am here with the second part of the chapter India size and location. In previous lecture we had already discussed location and size of India. Dear student, today we are going to discuss very important point of the chapter, the standard meridian of India. To understand this, look at the map and note that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland is about 30 degree. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat, and local time which lies on different meridians are bound to differ. As we discussed, there is almost 30-degree extent east to west and north to south. Due to this, there is time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Now we will understand this with the help of map of India. Students, as we discussed in last lecture, 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north is a latitudinal distance, latitudinal extent of India. 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east is a longitudinal extent of India. So there is almost 30-degree difference from north to south and east to west. From 37 you minus 8 degree 4 minute, so answer is almost 29 point something, means almost 30 degree. And from 97 degree 25 minute you minus 68 degree 7 minute, so answer is 29 point something. So almost 30 degree difference is there. So we can say that latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland of India is about 30 degree. Now you know that sun rises from the east, so Arunachal Pradesh is in the east. So there is a time lag of from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, almost 30 degree difference is there. So that's why there is a time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Even you know that because of this 30 degree, the places which is lies on different degree might they have different time. So in such situation, to avoid the confusion of time, we have selected 82 degree 30 minute east as standard meridian of India. Students, now I would like to tell you why 82 degree 30 minute east has been selected as the standard meridian of India. Because it is situated in center of all longitudes and latitudes in which our country is located. Look at here. This is 82 degree 30 minute east, and this is the center of all longitudes and latitudes in which our country is located. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India means 82 degree 30 east passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. This place, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. This is the center of all longitudes and latitudes in which our country is located. Even you can experience latitudinal extent influence the duration of day and night as one move from south to north. There is a difference between day and night, and this difference is determined by how a place is far away from equator. Now this Kanyakumari is close to equator, has almost equal day and night, but this is not in the case of Jammu Kashmir, because Kanyakumari is close to equator. So because of it, there is almost equal day and night. Means there is hardly any difference in the duration of time at Kanyakumari. But this is not in the case of Jammu Kashmir. There is a difference in the duration of day and night in Jammu Kashmir because Jammu Kashmir is far away from equator. Students, here one more question is, why we adopted 82° 30' east as standard meridian of our country? So the reason is time lag of 2 hours in local time between western and eastern part of our country. As we discussed that there is a time lag of 2 hours from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, and 82° 30' east is the longitudinal and latitudinal center of our country. So for the sake of convenience as well as to avoid confusion of time all over the country, we adopted standard meridian for the entire country. So we can say that 82° 30' east is the standard meridian of India, and all over the country all the watches, they are observing same time. All the watches of our country are set as per the time of this standard meridian. Students, I hope all of you are clear why 82° 30' east has been selected as standard meridian of India. Thank you very much. We will meet again in the next part of the chapter. Thank you again.